Don't delay any longer. Protect your home's worth and guarantee peace of mind by booking a free roof inspection with us today. Recent hailstorms in the area may have taken their toll on your roof, but our experienced and trusted team of professionals is already on site, replacing roofs that were damaged by the same storm. It's possible that the damage could be covered by your insurance company. So why wait? Let us inspect your roof, siding and windows, and give you the assurance that your home is safe and sound. Your neighbors are lining up for our services for many reasons, not only to get the peace of mind of knowing their home is in tip-top shape, but to take advantage of the potential for their insurance company to cover the full cost of roof replacement. They understand that unseen hail and wind damage can significantly reduce the value of their home, and that later roofing issues could become uncovered if not addressed now. Furthermore, if their roof does need repair or replacement, the only out-of-pocket cost to them would be their insurance deductible. Our commitment to you doesn't end there though. After you pay us, we don't just walk away. We make sure your roof is up to par twice a year, in April and October, to give you the utmost peace of mind. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Book your free roof inspection with us today. Our schedule is filling up fast, so scan the QR code below and reserve your